Welcome to Lough Fay. This is our main quarry and we source all our aggregates. We've been approximately quarrying here 75 years. Because we own our own quarry, we can send down a consistent quality aggregate to our main factories. Over the years, Tobermore has invested heavily in its plant and machinery to keep up with demand as the company grows.
What's great about the quarry is, when we're finished, it can all be restored and put back to farming.
Roughly 50 to 60 load of sand aggregate leave the quarry every day to our main factory in Tobermore.
Here at Tobermore we have a unique manufacturing process using world-class machines that we're constantly reinvesting in for the future. Our two main differentials are PrimeTop and F-stop, and these give our products a world-class finish. We have a fantastic team here at Tobermore and we've grown very substantially over the years. This has helped us develop our people and give them the training to run the world-class factories.
Our products are future-proof, and we also try to adapt to the market and try to be innovative and come up with different products that are long-lasting and high quality for many years to come.
Here at Tobermore, all our products are made with state-of-the-art machinery.
We make without a doubt one of the best products in the landscaping and walling market.
They're really hard wearing. It's a really innovative process that we have out in production, and it just provides a world-class product.
All our products are extremely durable and will last for many years.
Award-winning,
Colourful,
Durable,
Professional,
Innovative,
aesthetic,
quality,
top class.